Good. More short. Okay, good, very good. All right, good. Sharon from, okay, Raleigh. Okay, Sharon. And your subject is?
Making your words matter.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Here's Sharon.
It was June 2021. I was in an outdoor coffee shop because it was COVID. My phone rings, and I'm in a meeting, so I hit ignore. Later that morning.
Now, this is so nitpicky. We're in the past, and it rings. Now, I would say it rang.
Okay.
Just to keep the tenses the same. All right? Okay. All right, so you say it rang.
The phone rang. I didn't recognize the number, so like many of you, I hit ignore.
Okay. Now again, this is very nitpicky, but the difference between good, great, and mastery is so tiny. The secret of connecting to an audience is you talk to one person 300 times, you don't talk to 300 people. So you say, just like you, I ignored it. And everyone hears Sharon is talking to me. It's true. Because you don't care about the person sitting next to you, even if it's your best friend, as much as you care about you. You want Sharon to talk to you. Right. So just like you, not all of you.
Okay.
Just like you.
Yeah. Oh, got you. Okay.
Right? Pick it up there.
Just like you, I hit ignore. Later that morning, I listened to the voicemail. Sharon, this is Eva Kemp calling from the White House Office of Communications. We received your letter to the president. He's coming to Raleigh at the end of the week, and we were wondering if you'd like to meet him.
All right. Good. This is very good. Very, very good. So only these tiny little nitpickies. Now, what you could do, and I'm not saying you have to do it, but it's fun to mix it up a little, and it helps you fall in love with your own content again. So what I would like you to do at some point with your pals, begin with, the voicemail said, so just for fun, and we're running out of time, so we can't do it here, but if you think about, if that was your opening line, the White House said, see me later in the day. All right, good, thank you, thank you.